Welcome to Pandya's second video of differential equation series. Children, today I am going to teach you how to solve a differential equation or how to find solution of a differential equation. See, there are two types of solution. First solution is called general solution of a differential equation, and second type is your particular or initial value solution. What is the difference between this general solution and initial value or particular solution of a differential equation? In general solution, in answer you will get an arbitrary constant, but in particular solution there will be no arbitrary constant. Now, in when you will solve differential equation, you will get three types. Type 1. Type 1 is your when any differential equation is in this form. This is called your type 1. Take one example of type 1. Example, suppose it is your dy dx x equal to 1. This is your differential equation. Now, this we can convert. We can write here dy by dx equal to 1 by x. So your fx is here your fx is 1 by x. Next, what we will do, we will convert this in integral form. So this dy cross multiply, after cross multiply you are getting this. Then write here integrating both sides. Dy equal to integration of 1 by x dx. Integration of dy is your y and integration of 1 by x dx is log x plus this, which is your solution of the given differential equation. So if differential equation is in this form, in this type, then what you have to do, first you have, if it is already given dy dx equal to something, then you have to check what is its form. If the form is your this, like if it is in fx form, then next what you have to do, you have to cross multiply and then you have to integrate, and after integrating what you are getting is the solution of the given differential equation. Now second type. The second type is when any differential equation is given in this form, then it is called second type differential equation. So how you will solve, like this differential equation is given. Take one example. Example, dy by dx equal to 1 by y square plus sin y. I am taking one example this. See, here this is your function of fx. This is your function of, fy. So this second type is your fy. So if it is in this form, then what will we do here? We will bring this to this side containing dy. So thus we are getting here sin y dy, and this will go here dx. Then integrate both sides. On integrating, we are getting this. Next, separate them. Now all are in standard form of integration. So after integrating, we are getting this. Integration of sin x is your cos minus cos y. So right here minus cos y equal to x plus c. which is your solution of the given differential equation. Now, what is type 3? See. If any differential equation is given in this form, dy dx equal to fx into fy. This means if dy dx is the product of two functions, dependent variable and independent variable, then in this case how we'll solve like this sum. Take one example. First, you have to convert in this form because it is here not given. So to do this, what should we do? First, we take this to other side. Then yx square plus y into dy equal to minus x y square plus x dx. Next, dy dx equal to minus x y square plus x by yx square plus y. From numerator we can take x common, and from denominator we can take y common. So dy dx equal to minus x y square plus 1. Then take common from denominator y. Then we are getting here x square plus 1. Now see, this is in this form. Here your fx is x by x square plus 1 and fy is y square plus 1 by y. So next what will we do? We will shift in such a way so that dx containing part contains this and dy containing part contains this. Here y square plus 1. Okay. Next, integrate. After this, here you know integration, if it is in this form, then we can write directly log of fx. So here it is in this form. So what can we do? What can we write here? We can write now 1 by 2 log of y square plus 1, and here 1 by 2 log of x square plus 1 plus c. So which is the required solution? Which is the required solution of the given differential equation? So thus I taught you three types how to solve. Now what is initial value solution? See, if in any question, if the value of x and y is given, then we will substitute those values after solving the differential equation, and finally we will put the value of c. Let's see how to solve initial value sums. Take one example. First you have to check it is of which type, type 1, type 2 or type 3. So it is very clear that it is a function of y and it is a function of x. So this is in this type or this form, fx into fy. So first we will solve, we will find the general solution. We can write here 1 by y dy equal to 10x dx. Next, integrate. This 10 we can write in this way, sin x by cos x dx. If we integrate, we will get here log mod y equal to minus log cos x plus c. Mark this as equation 1. What is the meaning of this? y0 equal to 2 means when the value of x is 0, value of y is 2. This means y0 equal to 2 means x is 0 and y is 2. Right here when x equal to 0 and y equal to 2, and put the value of x and y here. So y value is 2, so here we are getting log 2 equal to minus log cos 0 plus 6. Next, log 2 equal to minus log 1 plus 3 because cos 0 is 1. Next, log 2 equal to value of log 1 is 0. This means c value is your log 2. This value we will put here. Value of c we will put here. Therefore, log y equal to minus log cos x plus log 2. So in this way we will solve initial value sums. So in this video this much. In next video I will teach you homogeneous form of differential equation. Till then, thank you.